Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Want to Stay. Today in this video, let's learn about how to fix TikTok not letting you follow anyone on TikTok. So let's get started. For that, let's get into TikTok app. So here it is. Now we need to click on profile icon in the bottom right and click on this three-lined icon on the top right, and let's click on settings and privacy. Scroll down and click on report a problem. Now click on interaction over here and we can see this option called follow. So let's tap on this and we can see an option that is unable to follow a user. So let's tap on this and here we are able to see few steps we can do if you are unable to follow a user. That is, you can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, and you can clear app video cache, and you can restart your device, and also make sure you update your TikTok to the latest version. And if it does not work, what we can do is simply get back and click on report a problem and scroll down, click on report and click on chat with us. Now here you can simply write the message and saying that you are unable to follow a user in TikTok. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.